Here is a photograph taken about 1903, and it's a Daimler car that we used to ferry people from customers from station to a hotel. And here's the same vehicle, and what is remarkable is that it's not been restored. It is very much original as you see it in the photograph. Paintwork, it has been conserved, not restored. The vehicle is around 1890 and one of the very first that appeared on British roads. It's a tentative connection, and I think it's even more poignant with the photograph. The upholstery in the rear of the vehicle, as it was used as a taxi, is still very much original. Absolute superb quality, unrepeatable quality. I've never seen upholstery this standard produced at this time, but I'm sure there are some that can emulate it. Every facet and detail on this is associated with coach work. It is a fantastic example in the Haynes Museum, and I must say, when I look at all the restored, over-restored, resprayed, repainted vehicles, this absolutely leaps out as it's a fantastic piece of history because it retains all the original detail. It's a Daimler car from the 1890s, I suppose. There it is beside the photograph which depicts it in around 1903. Isn't that remarkable? And beside us is the Mercedes-Benz 110-kilometre maiden journey. Remarkable. Isn't that incredible? Look at that. Oh, it really is electrifying. Well worth a visit to the Haynes Museum. Most of it's over restored, but this Daimler's well worth a visit on its own.